Hello students, welcome back and continuing with the entrance problem. The question say, you need to find the general solution of 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x and which is equal to 3. So starting with the solution, we know that 1 minus cos 2x and 1 plus cos 2x using half angle formulas, the equation would be 2 into sine square x upon 2 into cos square x and which is equal to 3. So 2 getting cancelled, the equation is tan square x is equal to root 3 the whole square. Why root 3 the whole square? Just hold on for one step and you will get the answer. We know that which value of tan is root 3? It is tan of pi by 3. Therefore equation would be tan square x is equal to tan square pi by 3. You remember the standard formula that tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha when x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Over here, in this case, your theta is x and alpha is pi by 3. Therefore, the x would be n pi plus or minus pi by 3 and hence option B is the correct answer. Moving ahead with the question. In 0 to 2 pi, the number of solutions of cos 2 theta is equal to sin theta are. Students, very important question. When cos 2 theta is equal to sin theta, we know cos 2 theta is written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta and which is equal to sin theta. When you are rearranging the terms, equation would be 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. If you observe this equation, it is an quadratic one. So, to make it in a perfect quadratic form, we are adding and subtracting with sin theta. The equation would be 2 sin square theta plus sin theta and minus sin theta minus 1 which is equal to 0. Therefore, keeping 2 sin theta common, equation would be sin theta plus 1 minus 1 into sin theta plus 1 which is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation would be 2 sin theta minus 1 into sin theta plus 1 which is equal to 0. So, in this case, when sin theta is equal to half and sin theta is equal to minus 1, therefore, which value of sin is 1 by 2? Sin of pi by 6. So, hence sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Also, we know sin of 5 pi by 6 is 1 by 2. But, after this, we know sin of 3 pi by 6 is minus 1. You might be wondering that why we are considering only this many values. The reason is, check the question. Yes, it has asked in the range 0 to 2 pi. So only these are the values which are in the range of 0 to 2 pi. And hence option C, that is 1, 2 and 3. Next, the polar coordinates of the point whose Cartesian coordinates are 0, minus 2 are. We know that the Cartesian coordinates are x and y. They are already 0 and minus 2. But you are requiring polar coordinates. They are in r and theta. And we know the formula that r is equal to root of x square plus y square. In this case, x is 0. Y is minus 2. Therefore, the answer which you would get is root of 4 and which is nothing but plus 2. Similarly, for theta is nothing but tan inverse of y by x. That is nothing but tan inverse of minus 2 by 0 which is in third quadrant and has to be a 3 pi by 2. And hence, the values are 2 and 3 pi by 2 which is option D. Moving ahead, the Cartesian coordinates of a point where polar coordinates are given, that is, you have r and theta with you. R is 1 by 2, theta is 210 in degrees. So, you require x. X is r cos theta. But in this case, the value of theta is given in degrees. So, how to convert in radians? It is 210 into pi by 180. 0 getting cancelled and the value which we get is 7 by 6. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of 7 pi by 6 and which is nothing but minus root 3 by 2. Hence, the x coordinate is minus root 3 by 4. Once you get x coordinate, we have to find y coordinate which is nothing but r sine theta. R is 1 by 2 sine of 7 pi by 6. Sine of 7 pi by 6 is minus 1 by 2. Hence the value which you get is 1 by 4. So the option is nothing but minus root 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4, and which is nothing but option C. See you in the next module. Thank you.